So if I were to go around onto the task section right here in Thunderbird, then you can see that I have this particular task due in a certain date right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and postpone this particular task to another date. In that case, you can simply right click and you can see that you can go ahead and then choose to postpone the task by 1 hour right here. So if I were to go around and do that, immediately you can see that the timing right here actually changes out. Let me just do that again. So postpone task by 1 hour, then it turns from 5 to 6 right here. But I can also go ahead and postpone it by 1 day right here, just like this as well. Let me dismiss it. And then if I were to go around postpone it by 1 day, you can see that the date actually changes now. And you can also postpone it by 1 week and it goes immediately to the next week, and you won't see it right here in the particular task section anymore right here. So this is how you can go ahead and postpone out tasks inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.